Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the last lesson. This chapter is in your Flamingo book and this is first chapter of your book. This chapter is written by Alphonse Daudet. In this chapter, the writer is describing about Franco-Persian War, and in this war, France was defeated by Persia, and the two districts of France, Alsace and Lorraine, was gone under control of Persia. So now there is given about the main character of the story. Now we are coming on the main character of the story. There are two main characters. First is M. Hamel. He is a school teacher and he teaches French language in Alsace district. Now, second character is Franz. Franz is a student and he is a student of M. Hamel. Now, students, we are coming on the soul of the chapter. So, as you are watching here, first, Franz is reluctant to go to school. Franz was not ready to go to school because in the previous class, his teacher M. Hamel gave him homework. The homework was of participles. That next day, teacher will take test of participles, but Franz could not prepare this topic. That's why he does not want to go in the school. He wants to go outside in the forest where birds were chirping, Persian army was drilling, but anyhow he controlled on his feeling and he decided to go to school. On the way he saw that there was a bulletin board and the crowd of people was gathering around the bulletin board. Next, M. Hamel's unusual behavior. Actually, when little Franz was going to school, on the way a blacksmith called him and said, "Little Franz, don't run so fast. You will get plenty of time to reach in the school." But Franz could not understand what is meaning of this. But as he reached in the school, he found that everything was totally silent. There was no noise in the school and that day was looking like as a Sunday morning. As he entered in the school, he found that teacher started to teach in the class, and in the back side of the class there are sitting villagers, former postmaster, former mayor of the city. All these people were sitting over there, and M. Hamel was also wearing his special dress which he used to wear on the day of any prize distribution ceremony or on any special occasion. But today there is no any special occasion and he was wearing such a uniform. So watching this, little Franz was also a little upset that what is going on. Next, Franz notices many different things at the school. As I described, that when he entered in the class, the people of the village, they were sitting in the classroom. The teacher started to teach in the class. The teacher means M. Hamel was wearing his green coat, means that dress which he used to wear on some special occasion. So these were some unusual things which was happening there. The order from Berlin. Now, as you are watching here, the order from Berlin. So, Franz was still wondering and absorbing the changes around him. He was watching that what a change has happened. Nobody is talking. The school is totally silent. The students are not talking to each other. There is no noise of desk, etc. So, at that time, when M. Hamel mounted on a chair and made the dreadful announcement, he announced what? he told the class that it was their last French lesson. The order has come from Berlin to teach only German in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine, and he would be leaving the school the next day. So now this was the order from Berlin. Everybody was sitting in the class, and when M. Hamel started to teach the students, he announced that students, today is your last lesson of French language, because order has come from Berlin that tomorrow new teacher will come of German language, and now German language will be taught in school of Alsace and Lorraine in place of French language. Watching and hearing it, little Franz was shocked. So student, this is the summary up to here. In next video, I shall discuss about the remaining summary of the chapter. I hope so that you have come to know about the summary of the chapter. Questions are already given to you. You will do all these questions in your notebook. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.